Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by preparing a stable environment and a single API service file. First, scaffold the app and confirm nodes 16 or newer. Once done, place endpoints and secrets in environment variables so you can swap between dev and prod. Then install Axios or decide to use Fetch. Centralize every request in src/services/API. JS using async/await. This keeps logic out of components. You do this to separate concerns and make testing and reuse simple and predictable from the outset. Now you implement the data flow inside components with hooks. Use useEffect to call your service on mount or when params change. Include an abort controller to cancel stale requests. Maintain 3 states, data, loading, and error, and update them immutably so React re-renders predictably. For lists, add pagination and pass query params from UI. Consider a simple cache, like a map keyed by URL, to return cached results quickly while refreshing in background for better perceived performance and fewer redundant requests. To finish, wire mutation flows. When you post or delete, perform an optimistic update in UI, then call the API and rollback if an error occurs. Make sure to attach authorization headers and refresh tokens before expiry so failures are reduced. Validate responses and handle edge cases like 401 or 422. Finally, write unit tests for your service functions and an end-to-end test for the critical user flow. Troubleshooting tip: if requests fail unexpectedly, log full request/response and check cores and environment variables first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.